Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome video by me for you. Today we're going to make a reset of that device here, to trade in, to give away, or to remove all your data from that iPhone. And this is the iPhone 16 in really nice looking blue. But it's the same style on the Max device too. First step, we unlock the device and go to settings. Now we have to perform two steps. The first step is to remove the iCloud lock of this phone, and then we can make a clear factory reset. That means first step is on the upper side in the settings, you will see your avatar, your information about Apple account, iCloud Plus, and more. We are entered to the Apple account, and then we see Find My. If you have the Find My version here, you are going to disable the Find My iPhone option, because if you does not perform these steps, the new owner, the new guy who becomes this iPhone will need your Apple ID to unlock the iCloud lock. If this should not happen, because you will give away your phone, for example, you have to switch off the Find My on this device here. Now we have to enter our Apple account password and turn this off. Turn off the Apple account password, the enter key to the Find My iPhone disassembling process. Good, job's done now. Hey, we are going now back, and then you can see here you're back in your Apple account. And you can see an Apple Watch is nearly, okay, but we do not pair this right now. Back, and then we are on the settings area. This is the main settings area. We go on the bottom side and a little bit up until we see the general settings. There it is, general settings. Then here we go again to the bottom, and we can see transfer or reset the iPhone. Okay, this is our thing, not shut down. This is not enough to give away your iPhone. Now we can prepare for a new iPhone. We make sure everything is ready to transfer, blah, 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 or we go to reset. What reset? We can reset all settings. We can reset network settings. We can reset keyboard dictionary. We can reset home screen layout. We can reset the writing style. We can reset location and privacy. This is not the big thing here that we make a clear factory then. This is only a troubleshooting thing. We need to erase all contents and settings. This is our thing. We erase this iPhone now. Ethan will sign out of our Apple account and remove our personal data so this iPhone can be safely traded or given away. Let's continue this process. Are you sure you want to erase all media's content and settings? This cannot be undone. Yes, please. Now, in the next step, we have to enter the passcode for this phone. The passcode is the passcode which you use to unlock the iPhone, and this is the passcode you use for your Face ID, for example. So enter the passcode, and then we are going to delete every data from that phone. After this process, this will take a little bit. After this process, you will have the welcome screen again. That means the phone is brand new, software based, and you can make a clear setup process again without entering your Apple ID, because the iPhone is not locked anymore. Of course, you will need an Apple ID while you make the setup, but the new owner does not need your Apple ID for this. So easy it is, but these 2 steps are necessary to make a clear factory reset of your iPhone. And this is important because of the safety stuff. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.